Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Depending on how you come across this channel on YouTube. And please, if this is your first time, enable to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Well, in this channel, we drop videos about celebrities, latest movies, and about how you can be creative using just your smartphone. Today, Destiny Etiko has come out to explain on how we can deal with the issues of snake being seen in the toilets. Just of recent, if you all can recall, a lady was bitten by a snake while using the toilet, like seriously. And this time around, Destiny Etiko have come out to express her feelings so sadly. Well, I will not be taking much of your time. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to get latest updates from us. So guys, I'll be dropping the video for you guys to watch now. Thank you.
I know what I'm about to say now might sound very irritating or crazy, but it is the truth. The way snakes are being seen in toilets these days is becoming alarming. On our bus to go to my bubbles. So it is high time we started looking for pole. Hey, pole! Okay, you know that pole that we use when we're small? We should start looking for it.
No, not pole, bucket, white paint buckets. Now put.
Yeah,
white,
so
white pole.
Any means.
Pole. White bucket is more better.
Any means, my darlings. We have to be on guard. Let's save our lives. The earlier the better. Only open because why don't you make it more?